What's up guys, Exchange Gaming here. So we're here to predict Portland Trail Blazers versus Washington Wizards. So let's go. Portland game info. Portland 25 wins, 33 loss, 12 in the West, while the Wizards have 10 wins, 47 loss, 15 in the East. The game will happen Wednesday, February 26, 2025, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 8 a.m. February 27 here in Manila. The game will happen at Capital One Arena, Washington. So the home court advantage will goes to Washington Wizards. So let's go with the spread. Portland -6, Washington Wizards +6, over under 231. So as of what time today? What time is it now? So 10 p.m. na ngayon dito sa Philippines. So health and availability: Blazers and DeAndre Ayton out, Justin Minaya out, Bryce McGowens out, CD Sissoko out, Robert Williams III out, Matisse Thybulle out. While the Wizards have Saddiq Bey out, Malcolm Brogdon out, Alexander Sarr questionable. So for me, for the health and availability, I still side with the Portland, because Saddiq Bey and Alexander Sarr have a large impact. Also with Malcolm Brogdon, they are all starters, so they have a large impact in the game of the Washington Wizards. So let's check the momentum. So the Portland Trail Blazers have triumphed in back-to-back games. It was a 108-102 win for the Blazers at Capital One Arena when they last played with the Wizards. Portland 6 wins and 4 losses in the past 10 games. Washington Wizards last game saw them play 107-99 home win over Brooklyn Nets at Capital One Arena. The Wizards have won 4 and lost 6 of their previous 10 contests. So let's go for the pick. So my pick is Washington Wizards +6. Why Washington Wizards +6? Because I saw the Wizards, so both of them having a good momentum right now. Even though the Wizards only win 4 and lost 10, and the Blazers won 6 and lost 4. So for me, Wizards will win because I saw them hitting the ATS, hitting the spread much more better. So they hit the spread last time, while the Blazers didn't. So I think it's gonna be a close contest. The Blazers struggle versus the Utah Jazz without any of their starters. So that's another factor for me. So that's why Wizards +6. So again, Wizards +6. So thank you for liking and following my YouTube channel. Thank you for the likes. Thank you din sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nagme-message sa akin. So kung gusto nyo so for those of you who like to follow my page, please follow my page for you to be always updated whenever I post something here in my page. So that's all guys. Thank you guys.